Hi, hope you're doing well. Today's video I'm going to show you how to draw 8 owls in easy step-by-step instructions. Starting with a curve like so and a curve out like so. Keep them the same sort of size and then bring this around to form a rounded love heart shape. Now we're going to put a circle here with a dot in the middle and another one in there. Then we're going to bring a line down from there and a line down. Try and keep that in the middle. Curve it around with a triangle on the edge. Now let's finish the head off. Around down there, and then I'm going to put a wing on. There's the wing, little wing there, and this body is going to come down, and this is going to come in there too. So these are the legs. I'm going to put a curve line like that and a curve line like that. Now another little wing over this side. Just going to put a couple of little lines on the wing, and I'm using a brush marker here. And now we're going to put the feet on. 1, 2, 3 bits like that, and then 1, 2, 3, almost like an M shape there. And then if you wanted to, you could put a little branch on like so that the owl is sitting on. And then if you wanted to, you could put a little knot and some little wood grain effects through here like so. And there we have a cute little barn owl. Now it's time for colouring. I've sped up the video. I'm colouring with Copic markers. You could choose pencils or textures, it's up to you. Putting in the base layers of colours, and I've got a bit of variation. You could choose whatever colours you want as well. And now I'm going over it once it's dry with some pencil, just to provide some shading and some texture of the feathers to make the barn owl look amazing. With this owl, I'm going to start with the beak, little triangle, and then I'm going to bring it around and out, a line like that, and the same on this side. Then we're going to put the line in, and line out like that, line out like so. That's like the hair. Then I'm going to put a circle and another circle, and then another little circle inside there for the eyes. Now let's draw the body around like so, and then some little wings. 1 wing, 2 wings. We're going to put some little details on the end, so 1, 2 lines like that, 1, 2 lines like so. On here we're going to have, it's going a zigzag like that, and then I'm going to put on a tail feathers. 1, 2, 3 on that side, and then 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to put the same little patterns like that to make them look like feathers, and another line through there like that to make it look like feathers. And there's our cute little owl. With this owl, I'm going to start again with 2 circles and another circle for the eyes, balls. Now this one's going to have lots of little eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. Then we're going to draw in the beak, and then the body is simply just a curved line like so. Curve it across and a straight line coming in for the ears, and then just bring this as a curved line over like so. Now the wings, we're going to do 1 feather, curve, and then curve it around like so. So it's straight line out, curve in, 1, 2 feathers, 3 feathers there, and then the feet are just simply 1, 2, 3 like so. 1, 2, 3 curved lines like that. And then let's decorate with something different. Let's do some little feather lines, little crosses. and I might put 1, 2 down there. So I've done 4, 3, and then 2. And there's a cute little owl that you could colour in and make it look amazing. Okay, I'm going to start with 2 circles. 1, 2 circles, and then this owl is asleep, so 2 little curved lines like so. Now this is tricky. We're going to bring a light curve out like that and another line out like so. So it comes up and around, and then what we want to try and do is bring this around and up there. So let's draw straight down there with in line with that eye. Try and keep these similar, and then bring this around, and then bring this around and join that up to there. Now we can make that a bit pointier if we like. Now you can draw in pencil or Sharpie, it's up to you. I'm drawing in a brush marker, and I've just drawn the beak. Now I'm going to draw a big U shape, so pretending that's a big oval, and then another U shape upside down, or a curved line like so. Now we're going to put the wings on. They're going to be tricky. So 1 bump out, 2, 3, and then 4. Straight line out, curve it back, come out the same distance. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm just going to put some little legs on. 1, 2 lines there, 1, 2 lines there, and 1, 2, 3 toes, 1, 2, 3 toes. And if you want to put some little claws on, you can put little short lines like so. You could put some details on there, but I think that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm going to start this owl with a circle and another circle. And I'm going to then bring a line over and over like so. Now we are going to then put a triangle here. 1 triangle, triangle. Now what we're going to do is put the eye, a triangle here as well for the nose. Now the eyes, we are going to draw like a little Pac-Man. If you don't know what a Pac-Man is like a little circle with a piece cut out, like you've eaten a piece of pizza cut out of it, like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring this line down here. So we're going to bring this line down and curve it around like that, and we're going to do the same with this one. So we'll start here, curve in and around, and then we're going to bring this big curve all the way around here. So curve around like so. Now it's time to put some feet on. Simple feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's make this sit on a log. 1, 2 lines coming out. Maybe some more. Now we might have some leaves coming off the tree. And you could put some wood grain in the tree if you like. And let's put some feather lines on. We're just going to bring a line across here, and 1, 2, 3 bumps, and we're just going to repeat that line underneath to create a pattern. Because when we repeat lines or shapes, we can create patterns. And rather than doing the same on the wing, I'm just going to put some little dash lines to show feathers. So 2 at the top, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And there we have a cute little owl. Ooh, forgot the top of the head. There we go, up there. We can have it rounded. So we could have actually drawn an oval shape first, but because I'm drawing in pen, I can't rub out. And there we have a cute little owl. This owl is going to be a bit of a cranky looking owl, so I'm going to start by drawing a V shape like that, because when we draw lines like this, that can help us get it looking cranky. So I'm going to just bring a curved line like so, and like so. So that's going to be like the eyebrows. So let's bring a half semicircle underneath each of those. And then we're going to draw an eyeball. 1, 2, you can already see that looks cranky. Now to make this look like an owl, we've got to put a beak on, and I'm going to finish off the head by doing a curved line like so, and then I'm going to bring that line down and back around, and then I'm going to bring this line down, but I'm going to have a little wing here, so let's put a wing like this, 3 bumps, and then let's finish it off with the tail. 1, 2 bumps for the tail, and then another little wing over here, 1, 2, and on the wing I'm going to put some lines coming this way just to make it look cool. Some nice patterns. Now you could use a thinner pen there, and then I'm just going to put some little circles to make them look like feathers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I might just put one there. And then the legs are going to be little sticks. 1, 2, 3, like a stick figure legs. And there we have a cranky little owl. I'm going to draw a tawny frogmouth, starting with a curved line and another curved line. So that's like the top of the eyebrows. This is the top of the nose. They have quite a wide nose. Then I'm going to bring that down into a point and back out like so. With a couple, this is the bottom part of the beak there, a couple of little curved lines coming up. Now we want to squeeze the eyes in here. So one curved line, another curved line, circle, and another circle over here. Leave the white dot. Now I'm just going to bring this a little bit longer out each side, and then across, and then down, up and across like so. They have like kind of cool eyebrow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this line around. Is going to form the bottom of the body with a couple of little zigzags like so for the end of the tail. What we're going to do here is we're going to put in a wing. So let's put in a wing with 1, 2, 3 zigzags like so, and then straight across this other side we're going to do the other side of the wing. 1, 2, you wouldn't see the third one. Now what we have to do is finish this line over like so, and then back around like so. And to put the feet on, I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3 lines. Notice how I'm flicking out my pen to get it from thick to thin. 1, 2, 3 there. This is going to be sitting on a branch. Now if anyone's seen a tawny frogmouth in Australia, they look like a piece of wood. They're camouflaged so awesome. So I'm just putting some lines for the wood grain that the tawny frogmouth's sitting on, and then I'm going to do the same for the body. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines there. Then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and notice I'm flicking the pen. 1, 2, and that's to get it to go from thick to thin. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Notice how I've curved that one that way, that one pretty much straight down, and that one curved around the other way because that's the curve of the wing. On here I'm just probably going to be able to fit 1 and then maybe another one there. And there we have a cool tawny frogmouth, which I'm pretty happy with. With this little cute owl, I'm going to start with a oval shape like so. And I'm using a Copic brush marker. You might use a Sharpie. Then we're going to have 2 little bits coming off like that. So a curved line. And there, they're like the ears. Then we're going to put in 2 big circles. 1, 2, try and keep them the same size and the same distance from the edges, and then a little beak. There we are, there's the beak. And then inside the eye we're going to have the eyeball. A little eyeball, and then we might put a little bit of a flick out there for the little eyelash. Maybe 2. 1, 2. And then now we're going to draw the wings. One curve coming down and then a curve coming down that way. Now let's position it just underneath there. Curve and then a curve, and there we have a simple little owl so far with the wings. And then we're going to put the body on, and now we're going to just do 1, 2, 3 for the feet, and 1, 2, 3 for the feet there. Now we could put some different patterns on here. I'm going to put some little triangles on the body of my owl just to make it look like they're feathers. And I reckon that's probably enough in there, or maybe a couple of little lines. I'm just going to put some lines on the wings. You could put some other patterns on if you liked, it's up to you. And there's just a little owl looking so cute. Hope you had a great time drawing. If you want to draw some more pictures, check out these videos. And if you want to let me know which one was your favourite owl, comment below. Also get in touch if you want to share your work with me that I could feature at the end of one of my videos. And also if you've got a special request of something that you would like to see me draw. Thanks for joining me today. I've had a great time. Hope you have too. Until next time, see ya. Cheers. Bye.